Water is one of our most precious resources. Every day we use water for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and bathing. But using water that isn't clean can make us sick and spread diseases like diarrhea, cholera, and typhoid. In many communities across Africa, finding clean, safe water is still a challenge. That's why learning simple ways to make our water safe can help protect our health, keep our families strong, and make sure that every drop we use is safe for our homes. Today, we're going to look at simple and practical ways to purify water for safe, healthy use at home. With these methods, families can drink, cook, and wash with peace of mind. The first method is boiling. It's one of the simplest and most effective ways to purify water. To kill bacteria, viruses, and parasites, bring your water to a rolling boil. Let it boil for 1 to 3 minutes. Then, let it cool before drinking. Boiling works because the heat destroys harmful organisms, making the water safe. It's a quick and easy way to purify water, needing only fire or another heat source. The second method is solar disinfection, or SODIS, which uses sunlight to kill germs. All you need are clear plastic or glass bottles and direct sunlight. Fill your bottles, then lay them in direct sunlight for at least 6 hours, or longer if it's cloudy. Sunlight's UV rays can destroy most pathogens, making SODIS an effective, low-cost option for communities with plenty of sunshine. Our third method is chlorination. Chlorine is a powerful disinfectant that kills bacteria, viruses, and some parasites. Add a few drops of chlorine to your water, following instructions carefully. Wait 30 minutes for it to work its magic. Chlorination is cost-effective and easy to find. It's highly effective against most germs, making it an essential tool for safe water. Next is filtration. Filtration helps remove dirt, debris, and larger particles from water. For a basic filter, you can use a clean cloth to strain out impurities. Another option is a sand filter, which layers sand, gravel, and charcoal to trap particles. Though it doesn't kill all germs, filtration is a good first step to make dirty water clearer and safer before further treatment. Finally, we have a unique method, using moringa seeds. Moringa seeds contain natural properties that help purify water by making particles clump together. Crush the seeds into a powder and stir it into the water. Wait about an hour and you'll see the particles settle at the bottom. Moringa seeds help improve water clarity and reduce bacteria levels. This natural method is a great option, especially if you live near a moringa tree. There you have it. 5 simple ways to purify water at home. Boiling, solar disinfection, chlorination, filtration, and moringa seeds each offer practical solutions for safe drinking water. With these methods, you can help protect your family's health and make every drop of water count.